Welcome to the next episode where Poochkoos talk. I am Varsha.
I'm Shruti.
And we wish you a very happy Diwali. So Shruti, tell me, how are you doing?
Very well, Varsha. How are you?
I'm doing good too, thank you. So can you tell me, what does Diwali mean to you?
For me, Diwali is a celebration. It's a great opportunity for us to bring people together. I love the lights. I love the vibe. And I love the food, of course. We get to eat a lot of food.
Right.
It's a celebration. It's an absolute celebration of lights. And I think with Diwali, it's also special because it's the start of many new festivals that come along. I'm already looking forward to the next upcoming festivals. So,
That's wonderful.
And of course, it makes it even better because Diwali is when we get a lot of pets staying with us.
Right.
So it's a fantastic opportunity for us to spend time with them.
Absolutely, that's wonderful. So if you had to describe Diwali in one word, what would you say?
Celebration.
Okay,
But
great.
if I get a better word, I'll maybe tell you in a bit.
Okay, sure. Okay, so that's wonderful. So what is Diwali at work, especially at Poochku?
I mean, I don't know how to keep this short because from the time Poochku started, there's been so many Diwalis we've celebrated with pets, with different team members. And each time it only seems to get better and better.
Okay.
And thanks to you, the office is so beautifully decorated. The team has come together and we have some of our old team members also join in, which is fantastic. I'm looking forward to the celebration this evening. For me, Diwali is, again, like I said, a great opportunity to come together and celebrate and just be happy with our new team members, with our old team members, and of course, many of the team members are home away from home.
Right.
So for me, it's about making it special for everyone.
That's wonderfully put, Shruti. Like, that's very sweet. So, since you mentioned that people come along together, especially the old employees and new employees, so how do you ensure that there's belongingness in the team or within the team, perhaps, especially in a setup like this where everybody is celebrating a festival? So, how do you ensure that there is belongingness?
I mean, I should give credit to the entire team. Honestly, it's not a one person's job. And I think we talk a lot about culture in
Right.
the company, right? So I think every single person brings in life to what we do. And it is really not about one person, in this case, me, making everyone feel like they belong. It's every small thing, like someone bringing food from home, someone bringing sweets from home, someone bringing diyas. I don't know. It's a tricky question, and I think I've really always gotten lucky with the team. But I think what we do great is, irrespective of which faith people belong, which beliefs people have, we all come together. Just like I said, for me, it's a celebration because it doesn't come across as a festival. So I think belongingness is very, very naturally inbuilt in Poochku.
Okay.
And we all learn from pets. I think a lot of what I am today is what I learned from dogs and pets around. So it comes to me very naturally.
Okay.
And what else? I mean, there are Diwalis just spent with families. Like now we are a bigger team, so we're not able to get families along. But when we were a 4-5 member team, I remember our partners being there, our parents being there to celebrate, and yeah, lots of memories. I can go on and on about this, but
Okay.
I'm going to keep it short.
Okay, that's wonderful. So, to just summarize that, it's an inbuilt culture where
Yeah.
it's a collective effort from the team. Right?
Absolutely. It's a collective effort from the team, from our customers, from pet parents. We have pet parents sending us wishes of Happy
that's sweet.
Diwali. We have people sending pictures.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a collective effort. Okay, so now you tell me, what does sense of belonging mean to you? This is your first job right after MBA. And you've taken up such a challenging role of building culture and working with people. Um, what do you think is sense of belonging?
So, honestly speaking, as much as challenging it is, I think you also get to know different perspective from people, because I think culture building is not a person's rule. It's not an individual rule. I think it's a collective effort that the team puts, because it's the team's contribution which paves way towards building a culture. And when I first walked into Poochku, there was always a sense of belonging, because I did my internship here, and for me to come back to the company to work as a full-time role, there must be something that would have held me back. So, in terms of coming back to this place, I think that's the beauty that we have created, and that's a beauty that we are creating. And honestly speaking, I think it's an experience every day, learning from people's perspective and in terms of enhancing that. So honestly speaking, as much as challenging it is, I think it's also fun because you're again dealing with people.
I agree. And I'm glad to know that when you walked in for internship, you did feel that sense of belonging. And that is something I always take great pride in.
Right.
But then I wouldn't take the credit myself. I think every single person in the team has added to it, has
Right.
contributed to it.
Absolutely.
So to your question on how do I make people feel like they belong, I think just being ourselves. I think the beauty about Puchku is everyone brings in their authentic selves into
True.
the company, into what
True.
we do.
Yeah.
So I don't think I've had to put effort to
Right.
make people feel that way. So
It's probably
fantastic.
always been there in
Yeah.
the culture. I think it's natural that way.
I hope it continues that way.
Right.
It's continued so far, so
Yeah.
I think it'll be great if it continues that way.
Absolutely agree to that. I think since we have come this far, I'm sure that we'll also be going together this way. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for your time, and it was great talking to you and
Of course.
understanding your perspective of what Diwali is and the way you've put it across. It's absolutely beautiful. So thank you so much. That's it for this episode. We will catch up in the next one.